Here I have XIAOMI Poco X4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you firstly will have to enable device watermark, and now you can add your own custom watermark. For example, something like that. And now when you take a photo, you will have this custom watermark here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.